All right, example two, bond P has a coupon rate of 7%. That's the interest rate, which is compounded semi-annually. The face value is 100 kwacha and the yield to maturity is 8%. So as I said, the yield to maturity, this is the discount rate we're going to use, right? The official definition of yield to maturity, this is the required return you expect if you hold the bond until it matures, all right? Oh, the number of years, semi-annually for 10 years. Right? So they'll ask us, find the value of the bond. So first things first, let's tabulate our interest payments. All right. First, the bond is compounded semi-annually. So N equals, what does N equal, colleagues? What does N equal? Are we there? Is there nobody there? Yes, colleagues. What does when it's compounded semi-annually, what does N equal? Yeesh, colleagues. Nobody. Mr. Kwema, Mr. Chiza, what does N equal? Yes. Yes, who put up their hand? Yes. The N represents the number of times it's compounded. So when they say it's semi-annually, so how many times will it be compounded? Yes. So N equals 2. So for the interest rate, you divide it by 2, 7% divided by 2. Because it's compounded semi-annually. All right. When you hear semi-annually, it is 2. If you hear annually, it is 1. If it's quarterly, colleagues, if it's quarterly, what does N equal? We have to remember this. Yes. And then if it's monthly, N equal. Yes, 12. So our interest rate, 7% divided by 2, 3.5%. Okay, so to get our interest payments, get 3.5% of the face value, which is 100. Is that a question? Uh, 100. Uh-huh. get 3.5 kwacha. So at the end of 6 months, you get 3.5 kwacha. At the end of another 6 months, 3.5 kwacha. Our yield to maturity, 8%. We're also going to divide it by 2. Uh, 4%. Then we can get the formula here. So instead of complicating the formula where we put here divide by r, divide by r, then negative t multiplied by n, also here divide by r, multiplied by thing, we've simplified. We've already done all of that here. So we can just put the formula as it is. Okay. One minus one plus r power negative. Oh, since our time is 2 years, so we're going. Our time is 10 years, so you're going to multiply that by 2. All right, 10 years, so you multiply it by this 2. So t equals 10 times 2, which equals 20. So in the formula where there's negative t, you put negative 20. All right. So our interest payment is 3.5, open brackets. So our R is going to be 4%. Remember that 8% we divided it by 2, so it's going to be 4%. So 4% is 0.04. Our T is negative 20. Maturity value, the same as the face value of the bond, unless stated otherwise. 1 plus 0.04 to the power negative 20. Okay, we can calculate now. Here you just give me the final answers. Like here, once we do this tabulation, what do we get? You start 1 plus 0.4, you get 1.04. Yes, 1.04. Yes, 1 minus 1.04 to the power negative 20 divided by 0.4. What are we getting, colleagues? Let's compare answers. We're getting 13.59 for this tabulation here. Are we all getting 13.59? And here we're getting 0.456 for this one here. For that one, 0.54, 0. What? Let's repeat it again. 544. Mr. Chisa, what did you say? 0.45 what? Mm, okay. Anyone else getting 0.4563 here and 13.59? Okay. 3.5 times 13.59, 47.565 plus, here this decimal place moves two places, 1 2, so plus 45.64. I'll leave it at 63 since on my I've represented it like this, but yes, for 5.64 others will get different figures. And 63 we get 93 kwacha point 6.195, we just round it off to 93.2 kwacha. This is the amount you pay for the bond at the securities exchange. All right. And you'll be receiving interest payments 3.5 kwacha twice a year. And then when the bond matures, you get that 3.5 kwacha plus the face value.